He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him I will trust. Psalms 91, 1 through 2. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is time for yet another wash and style. I am detangling my hair, going through it. I'll be applying my oils and a conditioner to help my hair have better slip and to move the dirt around more, so when I wash it, the dirt will just move better. My hair is super dirty. I had it in the style for a really long time. I had it in the style that I had it in, which I had already taken it out, but the style that I had it in, I was pregnant, so I had it in that style for a while before I had my child and after I had my child. Look at that bounce. Look at that afro, y'all. But I am just going through my hair, detangling it and getting it ready for prepping my hair so that I can wash it, sectioning it off so that I can better maneuver in the shower. I'm adding oils. As I said, I see a lot of people when they get in the shower and they have like a lot of hair, they don't section it off. They just get in there and get things going, which is fine, but I wish I could do that. I really do, and I can, but no, I have to section my hair off so that I can things are just organized a little bit better. It's less tangles, it's less breakage, and it's just where it's a lot going on. It's a lot of hair, so I have I think it's just better that I section it off. That's what works best for me. So I am just about done with sectioning everything off and oiling my scalp. Allowing that oil to run down my hair strands and applying the conditioner so that my hair can have better slip. This is my detangling method and it works best for me. So once I get in the shower, things are nice. My hair has a nice slip to it. You know, it's not tangled really bad. I go through and separate my hair before that. So now I'm in the shower, starting of course with my shampoo, and as you may notice, I shampoo my hair in one direction, keeping it smooth, keeping it aligned, and you want to do that while shampooing your hair. And you know, the shampoo is built for your scalp, so you want to focus your shampoo on your scalp, at least the first round. The second round you can focus it on your scalp and allowing it to work down your hair shaft, but you want to make sure that you are applying the shampoo to your scalp where your scalp holds dead cells and grease buildup, so you want to focus there. And of course the conditioner is built for your hair, so you want to always wash your hair in one direction and keeping it smooth and aligned, and where back and forth motions and circular motions can cause breakage, tangles, and it can even weaken your hair follicles. So always try to wash your hair and holding it in one direction, because the dirt is going to come out. You don't have to shake it and move it everywhere and do all of that, and it's going to come out. Just it's having it in one direction is definitely going to help the dirt better to come out. Absolutely. And the oils that you use to help break everything up, that's going to help as well. And also when washing your hair, you want to be careful, and it's good to have everything smooth and aligned and in one direction, because your hair is most delicate when it is wet. So you just want to be super gentle and caring when you are washing your hair. When you are conditioning your hair, you want to focus your conditioner on your hair. That is what the conditioner is built for. And you want to not so much focus it on your scalp, because it can cause your roots to be oilier. And you want to focus the conditioner middle way or lower parts of your hair, concentrating on the ends of your hair, allowing it to sit longer on your ends, where your ends get drier and they're more brittle, and your ends are the oldest parts of your hair. Okay, so here I am sectioning my hair off. I'm getting it ready for the style that I'm going to do to it, sectioning everything off, getting the parts right, and I am just making sure that I have everything sectioned really. So once I go to each section, I can just do what I need to do, and everything's out of my way. So I'm going to allow you all to enjoy this part of the video, and I'll be back to you. it is take down time. I let my hair actually sit for a few days. I really didn't have to go anywhere, so I allowed it to air dry as long as it could. And I'm just going to remove these perm rods. And I was able to basically put the perm rods in a high ponytail, so I didn't have to sleep on them. But I'm just applying oil before I unravel, and I'm taking the 2-strand twist out. I would say that this hairstyle came out pretty good, and I would say it is because it was able to set and air dry for as long as I allowed it to. So I'm just undoing the 2-strand twist and applying oil. I have oil on my hands. My hands are very oily, and I was going to try to undo the style without separating the twist, but I had to separate it. They came out really good. They look really good. But I was like, in trying to puff up my roots so to be fuller, I didn't want to separate my hair because I wanted the style to last longer. And I was like, no, I gotta separate my hair. So I separated it, and it just looked better, of course. It looked full like I wanted it to look. And I was just like, well, I'll just have to redo the twist later on in the week. I have little ones, so if I style my hair and I don't have to do much to it, that's always a plus, but it's okay. So I'm just going through separating my hair, adding in what I need to add in, and the style came out really good. I was really excited about it. It's more this is like a 5 years ago or 6 years ago type of style, you know. But we gonna make it a 2024 style. How about that? So it came out really nice. I will definitely be doing it on my hair again. I wanted to do the 2-strand twist all over, the loose ones, not the flat twist, but that was gonna probably take longer. So this didn't take long at all. I'm just adding in some, I don't want to say baby hairs. I'm just cleaning up the front of my hairstyle. I'm just cleaning up the front of my hairstyle, making it look more, just more stylish. So I'm doing that, getting it right, and I'm pulling the lower parts of my hair to create layers. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I had fun doing my hair, creating this